Hey there. It's Sunday morning and I plan on eating my ground beef. And then I decided I wanted to make something that sounded kind of good. I've got some red onions. I microwaved them for about a minute. And I've got some ghee going. And I'm going to saute up some red onions. And I figure I can put it in little serving size containers and I'll use it during the week. But it's going to take them a while to saute down. So anyway, I'll show you in a little bit when it gets way farther along. I'm also going to add this. So I'm hoping that this will make about 10 servings because I'm going to put 10 servings worth of these bacon pieces in there. So yeah. So I plugged it into chronometer, and if I get 10 servings out of it, it will be 64 calories, 3 protein, 2 carbs, and 4.8 fat. So that was 240 grams of onions, 70 grams of bacon bits, 1 tablespoon of ghee. So my plan is to put it in these little jobbers like I use for my salad dressings. If I can put in 10 of these, then I can freeze some and have some defrosted and I can pull them out and I'll know that it's my bacon, red onion, chutney. I don't know what to call it. But anyway, so yeah, just a little Sunday morning stuff. This would be good in onion or in your eggs. This would be good on ground beef. This would be good in all kinds of stuff. So, I'm going to call it quits. I'm going to divide this up into 10 servings and then I'm going to put some on my ground beef and I'll show you that when I'm done. So there's the ground beef. And I got them all in these. They're about 20 grams. I'm going to plug that in there. It's something kind of with some flavor and yet gentle because they're cooked onions. So that's going to be my breakfast. I'm going to add a little salt to it. And that's going to be my breakfast today. There's how it looks all mixed together. Can't remember if I told you or not. I'm going to Mom's after church today. Got to do some work on her modem or router or whatever. So anyway, so we'll probably be going out to eat. Just wanted to let you know. I'll show you what I eat. I've got a side salad and ranch. And I ordered a pork steak and some broccoli. I gotta zoom out to get to that steak. That's a big old pork steak. And then there is my broccoli. And those are the crackers that I gave to Mom. So that's my lunch. Hello, I'm back home. And I've been having some really bad cravings ever since lunch. I got to Mom's house and I think I had a pecan and a couple cashews. And like right now I'm just in the I want mindset right now. I can't really keep my brain off of it. So really what I should do is have something meaty and fatty and just, yeah, it's going to be more calories, but that's what's going to take that away from me. So hang on. So I got some of the 80-20 here. This is how I had to deal with my cravings before, you know, as I was coming off of the regular high carb stuff. Hang on, I'm going to have some, put this in the microwave and I'm going to just put seasonings on it. I'm not going to put a bunch of stuff on it because that's going to make things not any better. So I'm going to microwave this and I'm going to have these vegetables, get myself real good and full on stuff that's not terrible for me. But like I said, when I'm having cravings and I'm feeling antsy and anxious from the cravings, so this is my go-to and what I know to do, and that's fill up on what I know is better for me. It's going to be more calories and my weight will not be down tomorrow, but it's either that or sit here and I want something, and And I don't want to go through that right now. I'd rather just have me some meat and veggies. So that's what I'm doing to fight my cravings. All right. You know, it's not even been 4 hours since I ate that big old pork steak and the salad and the broccoli. So I don't know. But yeah, this is what I'm eating. And I'm not going to have my stats for the day to be able to tell you how much I had because I don't know. But I'm just going through something. No idea why. But I'm turning to what I know. And what has worked for me to power through things in the past. Actually, in the past, I just would take a Benadryl and go to bed, but it's only 4:30 and I'm not doing that. Let me see. That's good. These are still kind of cool, but I'll eat them anyway. Because I'm anxious for whatever reason, and I'm craving and I want, and so this is going to help me power through the cravings, I hope. So if I eat anything else, I'll show y'all. Hello, I'm pretty confident that I'm better now. So I'm going to upload this video. I think it's almost 5:30. Well, it's 5:20. But anyway, I'm confident that my cravings are gone. I'm feeling better. I just needed some good old ground beef. And yeah, I feel better now. So I made it through my cravings. Tomorrow's a new day.